Hey guys, Salaman and Ganesh here. So today is, let me share my screen. Today is it's 8:57 a.m., almost 9 a.m. on January 21st. I'm about to start marking my levels for the day to start trading. So you can see here, yesterday, which is this is yesterday, around the same time, 9 o'clock, I had marked out the previous day's highs and lows. So the previous day, which was January 16th, Thursday, because we had a holiday on 20th for Martin Luther King Day. So last Friday when I came, I had marked out the previous levels. You get the idea. So today what I'm going to do is I'm marking out yesterday's previous day high. So I'm going to just go pull this over here. So this is yesterday's previous day high. Okay. And if you see here, this previous day guy high, if you go all the way back, it kind of coincides with another resistance over here. So you can literally pull it all the way here if you want to. Okay. But just to show you that. Okay. So this is previous day high. And then yesterday's low, let's see where yesterday's low was. This will be yesterday's low. So let me take this off and let's put, this will be yesterday's low. Okay. Low for the day. And I actually mark it a little bit higher here, the zone, because it's I create the whole zone to take care of the wick. You can see the wicks. This is the previous day high, but I made this zone a little bit higher because there's more resistance if you go back a few more days over here. So take care of that. And then this morning, pre-market high, I'm going to mark that level, pre-market high. And then the previous pre-market low should be over here. Okay. So these are my levels for today. Because today it's already, the market hasn't opened yet. It's 8:59 a.m. Market opens at 9:30. Because it's already above the previous day high, I am bullish. What I mean to say is that means I think, and again, we will find out more. I think the market is going to keep going up a little bit. Okay. If you go to the daily time frame, if you see that over here, just to get an idea on the daily time frame, you can see the MACD is curving and becoming green. The histogram is green. It's the signal line is crossing over. You see that? This one is going up. It's going to go up a little bit more higher. RSI is going up. Everything is curving up. So the next few days, it may actually keep going up. Trump just came into office. So market is bullish. It's going up. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, it's going up. You can see that it can turn a bit here, but most likely it might take out the top over here and then go, right? So I'm just marking these levels. Now, this is the pre-market high. You can see here, there was a top over here. So I'm going to take a line and mark this top over here, this top over here. Okay, and I'm going to mark it in a different color just to let me know that this was a previous high over here. Usually, and I'm going to mark all these highs also. Usually, markets go all the way here, take this is called taking the liquidity out. Okay, there are so many people who had bought here. Okay, they are waiting for the market to go back up, so then they can buy and go up, right? So the market will always go and take out these stops. So there's a good chance it's going to go up and take this stop off. So I'm just going to mark those levels. Okay, this is good enough. And so now when it opens, let's say, I don't have to worry too much about too many levels. This is the previous day high, so it's bullish. Pre-market high, most likely it's going to go higher than that. And it might even take this out. I don't know. We'll see. So when the market opens, we'll see how it goes and how it reacts, and I'll be recording all that. Hey guys, so it's 6:22 a.m. January 22nd. Let me share my screen here. And you can see in yesterday's video, I had actually mentioned that, hey, because the market was over here, it'll continue going up, right? And it'll probably take out these highs over here. Market likes to do that. I had shown in the daily chart, if you watch the video in the beginning, that the histogram, it had one green bar, the signal line is crossing over, is going to continue going up. And if you see, that's exactly what happened yesterday, right? So market opened up. I'm back in the 15-minute chart. It went down a bit and tried to shake out all those people, right? As a matter of fact, I was confident it's going to go up, but when I saw this big red candle come down, and I'm in the 15-minute chart, if you're working on the 1-minute chart, you'll see it coming down with so much force. Even I was shaken out. What I mean by that is, even I thought, you know what, it's going to keep going down. And so I took a $7 loss and I stopped out. On hindsight, if I had just held long term, I could have made a lot more money. Okay, you can see what happened. Let's see, where is that? Where did that go? Okay, over here. You see that, right? And so it just, oops, did I move that? Okay. It just went, it shook, it tried to shake all those people out, and then it went back up again and it held back above the previous day high, just kept going. Okay. And so this is how market is, right? Now what's going to happen today? We don't know. We look it up. But if you look in the 4-hour chart, okay, this is the resistance over here, right? Most likely it's going to go all the way and take this out. So go above all these highs, right? This is the higher high. Like you see this wick over here. Let me make another one over here, and let me make that maybe, I don't know, we just make it red. Like that's the top, the highest resistance point so far, right? And so most likely what it's going to do, it's going to go all the way up, take that out, go higher than that, and then it may go down. Okay. We don't know. Maybe it'll just hit it and go down. Maybe it won't even touch it, will go down. We don't know. But in the 1-hour chart, you can see the stochastic is, it's very high. RSI is very high. So we don't know how it's going to go. It might just go down now and then come take it out. We don't know. But I'm pretty confident, if not today, which is January 22nd, the next couple of days, it will take this out and then start going down. Okay, if you see the daily chart, it's not fully very high. You see that? So it has some time to go higher. So most likely it's going to go higher, but we'll see how it goes, and we'll see how we can make a couple $100 to $500 to $1,000 today.